3 full master suites, plus 4th bedroom and half bath, furnished turnkey pool home in desirable Rotonda West Long Meadow community. Impact windows installed for your peace of mind and a big insurance credit. Low HOA fees of only $190 a year. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by a spacious living room, featuring a cathedral ceiling with ceiling fan, beautiful laminate flooring, and 8-foot pocket sliding glass doors leading to the Lanai. The kitchen features a breakfast bar, providing a great place for morning coffee, closet pantry, ceiling fan, and tiled flooring. Appliances include Kenmore dishwasher, smooth top stove, and microwave, plus G French door refrigerator. Primary bedroom has updated vinyl plank flooring, tray ceiling with ceiling fan, spacious walk-in closet with an additional owner's closet inside, plantation shutters, pocket window seat with storage underneath, and pocket sliding glass doors to Lanai. Primary bath has a relaxing soaker tub, privacy commode, huge Roman shower, new lighting fixtures, linen closet and tiled flooring. Master suite number 2 has a vaulted ceiling with ceiling fan, wall closet, and carpeted flooring with ensuite bath which features step-in showerm, updated lighting fixture, and tiled flooring. Master suite number 3 also has carpeted flooring. A vaulted ceiling with ceiling fan, wall closet, sliding glass doors to the Lanai, and another ensuite bath, doubling as the pool bath, to include step-in shower, and tiled flooring. Bedroom 4, with laminate flooring, wall closet and ceiling fan, would make a great home office/den and has direct access to the half bathroom. Inside laundry room includes Kenmore front load washer and dryer, utility tub and tiled flooring. 2-car garage has automatic door opener, pull down stairs for extra storage in attic area, and lockable storage area. Caged heated saltwater pool area has a large deck perfect for entertaining the whole family, and child barrier for safety. The Lanai has accordion shutters, making it easy to secure the area, either when you leave or in time of storms. The sprinkler system is fed from the canal, saving money on your water bill. Not in a designated flood zone, so your lender will not require flood insurance. Roof replaced in 2021, and air conditioner in 2023, so no big expenses are on the horizon. Close to shopping, restaurants, golf courses, marinas,